Decathlon time. It's a bit windy at the field. A little bit of clouds low. But this is big and red. Should be able to see it, I think. Be his first windy flight. Sounds like there's a race going down the highway. Ooh, look at all the bikes. 2, 3. They sound like they're going the other way. Alright, hats on head. Camera and hat on head. First windy flight of the decathlon. 150% throws this time. 50% expo. Oh, got a 5S. 5,000. See what happens. Whoa. Oh, look at that. That's nasty. Come on back this way. I have a problem. I have a problem. I hope it's not a bad one. Yeah, that's a problem. No good, no good, no good at all. This one I wish I had safe. Good landing. All right. So it seems like the wing struts popped off. Hope I didn't wreck them too much. Figure, and the rest of the grass over here will stop it quick and stop that from getting tore off. Let's see what happened here. We definitely bent them. Yeah, we definitely bent it. But these popped off. I don't think they're supposed to pop off. Too much wind, I guess. Put new clips on those. Alright, well, that ends this flight because those little clasps are broken. See, they just pop off again. Should have checked those better, I guess. Alright, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and all the good stuff. Ciao for now.